Last night I felt the storm coming fast, it broke the wall, scattered glass across the floor. I know this.
Hello guys, this is your girl GlamorousFerne coming back to you with another video. How are you all doing today? As for me, I'm doing wonderful. I hope you guys are doing great as well. Guys, this video was supposed to be uploaded yesterday. I had a hectic day. I'm sorry for that. My apology. This video will be a elegant tablescape using a very few items, and some of the items are thrifted as well. This video will be, I don't know how to call it, but I'm missing some pieces. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Some of the items, instead of a set of 4, but a set of 3. But I'm just giving you the ideas, you know. But keep on watching. Enough of that talking.
Anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. You came with darkness, now I'm turning toward the light. You can't patch this up, I want you out of sight. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go.
Okay, this is what I was talking about. I'm missing one. So you get the idea. So if you have a set of 4 or set of 8 or 12, as many sets you have, you use it. But I just give you the ideas.
Target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Take your brokenness and go. You're not welcome anymore. There's no forgiveness in these eyes. Been down this road too many times. Take your brokenness and go. Baby, I can't fix that hole. I'm done being the target of your crazy lies. Do what you can to save your life. Ooh, take.
Again, I missed another bowl, but I know it's somewhere in the house. I just couldn't find it. Oh Lord.
You're not welcome anymore.
The picture just fell off. I'm glad it didn't break. I gotta hang it back up. But guys, I gotta say thank you to each and every one of you for watching, for the liking, commenting, all that thing. I truly appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys.
I follow every move you make, but I'm not sure if what I do is wrong. You're someone that I need to see, or fade into a memory.
Here comes the reveal. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you so much.
Long ago, I know that I'm lost, but I'm not moving on. Something between us still feels strong. I want you to know that with you I feel whole. And if this could last forever, I wouldn't have any other way. I want you to know that with you I'm never cold. Can we spend this life together? Any other way.
Thank you so much for watching. See you next time in my next video. Bye. Mwah.